8 days, 500 kilometres. Was it worth it? Was it worth the dark and early mornings? Was it worth sacrificing time with my family over Christmas? Was it worth the icy, snowy, cold and windy weather?
So windy!
The spirit of Rafa's Festive 500 2017 for me was all about kilometres of kindness. For every ride that I did during those 8 days, I would do an act of kindness. I donated money and wrote a thank you card for my local food bank. Their incredible volunteers ensure people in crisis have food all year round, and especially at Christmas time. On Christmas morning, I took mince pies to nurses who were giving up their precious family time to look after our loved ones. I visited an animal sanctuary who were in need of towels and bedding for their cats and dogs while they were waiting to be rehomed. I donated some towels and gave them cash so they could buy whatever they needed. We all know the incredible impact bikes have had on our lives. World Bicycle Relief is an incredible charity that donates bikes to people in developing countries. I paid for a toolkit for a mechanic in one of those countries to keep bikes running. I realised out in the cold how lucky I am to have a lovely warm home to go to. But sadly this isn't the case for everybody. So I donated to shelter who help put roofs over people's heads who aren't as fortunate as I am. And I also bought my family a couple of little gifts just to say thank you for their support and encouragement throughout all my cycling adventures. And for every single kilometre that I rode, I was kindly sponsored. So for completing the full 500k, £50 was donated to a local cancer support charity. So the question is, was it worth it?
It was so grateful, it was the nicest thing. Just so worthwhile. So even like that's the thing, it's such a small thing and it really makes such a nice difference. Oh, that just feels good. It just feels good to be nice. It feels good to be kind.